Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, it's your boy Jonte Nyagasi. So if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel, like my video, comment, and if I inspire you guys, share my video guys, share my video. And today I'm in a beautiful place guys, another place to be. You can see there is no homes. The place is very cool guys, very cool place to be guys. The only thing you can hear is bird sound down there guys, and also in this other side only bushes guys, only bushes guys. Beautiful Africa. Africa is beautiful guys. Can you just see guys? Africa is beautiful guys. Wow, now good to go. Let's have a small nature walk guys. Yeah, so you know this place here is bushy guys, it's bushy. We have managed to come in this place so that we can have a small nature walk guys. I'm just along with the forest guys. I'm also with the biggest content creator there at my back called Jamdos mwenyewe, Jamdos TV guys. Yeah, and in this other side it seems like there is another person up here grazing his cows guys. So let's go up here and see how things are going guys. Don't know if you can see. Very beautiful place guys, beautiful place to be guys. Let's go up guys, let's go upside guys. You can see they are grazing the cows. It's a beautiful place to be guys. You know, sometimes you just have to walk, see the nature, or see how things are going, show you the Africa lifestyle. You can see the grass are very greenish. That's the reason why those people are grazing on the other side. And also in this other side here guys, let me come like this and show you guys. Wow, very amazing place, very greenish maize guys. Just have a look guys, have a look man. And it seems like this person or the owner of this farm, you know, these are weeds, and the means of, let me say, is weeding this farm is using chemicals to remove off the weeds guys. Yeah, so that's the reason why you can see the weeds and grasses inside the farm are somehow very are drying up guys. That means he's using chemicals to dry up the weeds guys. Yeah, so in the other side there you can see the bike. Yeah, you know, I used to travel with this bike guys whenever I'm going to take or to take a content guys. Like today I'm in this place and we are with the motorbike guys. We are with the motorbike. In the other side, the biggest YouTuber called Jamdos TV. For those who have been hearing Jamdos TV, today I want you guys to see Jamdos TV so that you can say hi to you guys.
Hello guys, how are you man? I'm here today with my brother Jonte, one of the best YouTubers here.
So guys, we're just chilling.
I'm just glad to have Jonte. Yeah. So keep on subscribing on our YouTube channel, Jonte. Make it big, make it happen. Always, Jonte Baba Yao.
Yeah. So yeah. Jamdos, you can tell them the name of your channel so that they can.
Okay, you can go to Jamdos TV, my YouTube channel there. You like, you comment, you subscribe, you hapo chini. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, yeah, that we exist and nature is our main target. Yeah. Thank you so much guys. Keep on subscribing, keep on following Jonte Nyagasi. Make it big and make it happen guys.
Stay locked guys. So guys, if go and check Jamdos out, and if Jamdos inspire you guys, share his videos guys. Share his videos to your friends, families, so that they can also check him out guys. In this other side, guys, guess what? I don't know the reason why these are drying up, but these are thorns, guys. I don't know the reason why they are drying up, and even this guava, yes, drying up, guys. So I don't know, but for those who have been watching my videos, guys, I love this one here. This one is called guava. This is called guava, guys. And I've been hearing that there is a small river down here. I don't know if you can manage to go, but somehow very bushy, guys. It's very bushy. So guys, it seems like this land here is very fertile, guys. That's the reason why you can see weeds are very greenish, and all other things are also very greenish. I don't know if you can see the other side of the river, guys. There are some homes. There are some homes on the other side of the river, guys. So let me go back like this so that I want to see how things are going, guys. Wow. Enjoying it, this other side, guys. This stone, guys, this is very unique, guys. I've not seen this stone before. This type of stone I've not seen it before. I don't know how do we call it, but it can help, guys. You can come and sit. This is a beautiful stone. And also other things, you can do many things using this stone, guys. So guess what? You know, I'm just here lonely. Lonely, guys, lonely. But I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Let me go like this, guys. Let me go like this. Let me go like this. Oh, where? Hey, amazing. Deep inside the bush. But you can also explore together, guys. How do we call it? A thick bush. I'm even afraid, guys, to get inside that bush, guys. I'm even afraid. Let me follow this my guy. It seems like Jamdos knows these routes more than me, so I wanna follow him. Can just see this. Can just see this, guy. This type of tree. How do we call this one, guys? How do we call this tree? How do we call it, guys? How do we call it? Guys, how do we call this one, guys? Just go there in the comment section and tell me. I doesn't know the type of this tree here. It doesn't know the type of this tree. For those who know it, I'm waiting for the comment in the comment section. Just tell me, guys. You can see how Jamdos is busy. Jamdos is very busy, guys. Amazing. Let's go in the other side. Wow. Another one is also in this side. Very bushy, guys. And there is no even roads that you can follow to get inside. There are no even roads, guys. There is no even roads. For those who love, or for those who love nature walk, come with me, guys. Come with me, so that we can go. Also, this one, guys. Just have a look, guys. Have a look. Still going, still going. Still going, going. So I don't know if this is the sorghum or finger millet. It seems like it's the sorghum, or it seems like it's the finger millet because I'm seeing it at far, but hope it is finger millet. Just see, guys, very swampy. The only thing you can see on this side is this one, guys. Very swampy place and big farm, big finger millet farms, guys. Very greenish. Let me follow this other part here, guys. You have to go. Even if I'm walking lonely, but I have to go, guys. I have to show you the all parts, guys. Yeah, the bird sounds. Very crazy, guys. Crazy. Wow. There is also another one down there, guys. I'm even afraid to go to that side, guys. I'm even afraid to go to that one. You can even find some very, very different types of animals. They're very aggressive, guys. They wanna eat your guy, your Tenyagasi. But he doesn't want to die at this moment, guys. Because I wanna show you many things which I've not shown you guys. So if you're watching me and you haven't subscribed, subscribe, guys. Subscribe, please, subscribe. You can see, guys. You can see, man. Just see. Grazing the cows. Yo, guy, my guy. Can you say hi to the camera, my guy? Say hi.
Hi.
And also you can also say hi.
Hi.
What's your name, my guy?
Jack.
I call Jack.
Yeah.
And you?
Morio.
Morio.
Yes.
You are called Morio.
Yes.
And this dog?
This dog is COVID.
COVID.
Yes.
COVID-19.
Yes.
Guys, this is COVID-19. 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 I. And this one here is called
Oginga.
Oginga.
Yes.
Very, very funny, guys. Here in Africa, if you have a cow, you have to give your cow a name. Like this one is called Oginga, the father of Raila Amolo Odinga, the vice president of Kenya, some years back before, guys. And this one, how do you call Chami? Chami. Guys, you can hear from him. This is called Chami. Chami. Oginga on the other side, Chami on the other side, and this one Ruto. So this one here is called Ruto, guys, the president of Kenya. Ruto, and this Lilian. Oh, Lilian Okendo. There is a cow. There is a cow which you share a name with. And this one?
Junet.
Hey, Junet. Mohammed Junet. This is Mohammed Junet. And this other one here. This black one. Pamela. I. And this. Oburu. And this one? Lucy. Hi. This one is Lucy. And this? Raila. It seems like Raila is very aggressive. Oh. Raila Amolo Odinga. And that, it's called Punda. Cause guys, this one here is called Punda because it has a color like a donkey. Yeah. Punda in English it means a donkey. So this is called a donkey because it's have a color of donkey. And this one? Maridadi. Yes. And this? Onyalo is a type of tree in Africa, in East Africa, Kenya. Yeah, it's a type of tree. So I don't know how many are they, my guy. They are like 15. Yes. 15 cows. Oh, hey, this is called Chami. COVID-19. Guys, this is COVID-19. Hope you can see this type of breed, guys. COVID-19. COVID. Say hi. Hi. COVID is afraid, guys. COVID is afraid. Just see, my guys. Just see. Walk with me, guys. Go with John Nyagasi and see very amazing things, guys. Things which you have let me say even you haven't seen. Hearing cows' names like this, hearing dogs, but dogs somehow very, very common. But cows, guys, in other places like let me say US, in other places you cannot hear someone calling the name of a cow Ruto. Like this person is calling me this cow. Just imagine, guys. Very amazing. Ruto. Ruto, Oginga, Raila. And the very funny thing is that they are naming these cows after politicians' names. Politicians' names. Like Junet, Ruto, Oginga, Pamela. Very many types of names, guys. Very, 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 very funny and big names, guys. And all in all, things are good, guys. If you're watching my video, subscribe, like, comment, share my video, and if I inspire you, stay locked into my channel, guys. Stay locked into my channel. If I inspire you, stay locked. Stay locked into Nyagasi channel, guys. Nyagasi inspire you, guys. Stay locked into his channel. There are bees inside here, guys. So there are bees. So we have to go back, guys. There are bees inside there, so we have to go back. Those are the problems that we are facing, guys. Like you see, you have not seen. There are bees. There are bees inside there, guys. Also in the other side, you can see, guys, very stagnant water, guys. If water is stagnant, that's the reason why you can see it's very greenish like this. Like you see this. I don't know how you call these ones. I don't know how you call these, but with us in our language we call it tuodo. So this is called tuodo. We call it tuodo. So I don't know how you call it, guys, in your language, guys. It's all in this place, guys. See, you see, and on the other side, beautiful stones, guys. Beautiful stones. Farm is also doing amazing, guys. Farm is doing amazing. This place is full of these, guys. This whole water is full of these. As I told you before, that this place is very dangerous for me to be. So there we go, because you know there are some bees. There are some bees flying there. So let me go this side, guys. Let me go this side. Let me go to this side. Let me go. Beautiful place, guys. Beautiful place to be. There is also another hole, guys. I even doesn't know what is the purpose of this one, guys. This wall right here. And everywhere there is a bee, guys. Everywhere. If I go in this side, I'm hearing a bee, sound of bee. If I come in this other side, sound of bee. Hey, very amazing, guys. Let's go up, man. Let's go up. Up. And guys, I want to tell you that these forests or these forest is natural, guys. Yeah, this is not a man-made. It's a natural forest. That's why you can even see unwanted trees like these ones. Very many things. Yeah. Unwanted trees. Why am I hearing sound of bees? Yeah, there, because I'm just hearing a sound and I'm not seeing them. Just hearing a sound and I'm not seeing them, guys. I hear something. I've entered into that place, guys. I have to go back. There is something that I hear sound of something entering the bush. So I have to follow this other route here, guys. I don't know it's what, but hope it's not a harmful thing, guys, which can interfere with your guy, because you still love me. You still love me, guys. For those who can see it clearly, I don't know if you can see. It seems like this one is a path leading to this other farm here, guys. And guys, I wanna show you that this forest, guys, is big. It's very big, guys. And I cannot manage to walk in all part of this forest. You know, some places are very dangerous in this forest. But because I'm not familiar with it, I wanna go everywhere, guys. I wanna go anywhere inside it, guys. I wanna wanna go. I don't want to get this funny sound, guys. I don't want to hear very funny sound. It's up there. You can see, amazing, guys. I don't know if you can see them, guys. Those, I don't know how I can call them, but and sometimes you might find that this person also named all these cows and goats. He gave them names. So let me cross and say hi to him, so that we can come back to this beautiful place. Hello. Nakwaje bana? Poa. I'm also fine. So guys, I'm with this my guy, and he's grazing me all of these ones, guys, all of these cows, guys. You wanna say hi to you, just tell them hi. Yeah, say hi. Fine. And you're a Maasai? Oh, you're a Maasai. What's your name, my guy? Naitwa nani? Nani? Rashid. Oh, Rashid. He's called Rashid. In short, Rashid, guys. So Rashid, all of these cows has names. Ziko na jina? Hazina jina, si ndio? Oh, because I've seen some down there have names, guys. These ones, you can see these ones, guys. Just see. Beautiful cows, guys. Beautiful ones, guys. Come to these places, guys. We work together, guys. We show you how things are going. We show you amazing things, guys. Like now you can see these. You know if you can see these. Let me hide my camera, guys. I don't know if you can see these. Very beautiful cows, guys. Walk with us in Africa, guys. Walk with us in East Africa, guys. So that we want to show you different places, different things, different lifestyle, guys. Like you know, in very many places, people doesn't used to graze cows like this. They used to make something like how do we call them, paddocks. Yeah. So you can find someone has a paddock in this other side and also in another side, guys. So he uses to change cows inside the paddocks, and also in this other side you can see goats. Amazing, guys. Very, very fat goats, beautiful ones, guys. You can see Africa is beautiful. It's very greenish, guys. You can see how the cows and the goats are eating, guys. You can just see. Guys, they are enjoying the grass. Very greenish, guys. I love Africa. Do you love Africa? Wherever you're watching me, guys, do you love Africa? If you love Africa, come and walk with Jonte, guys, so that you wanna see amazing things. Come and walk with me so that you wanna see amazing things that you have not seen before, guys. In your country or in wherever you're watching me, have you ever seen or have you ever heard